This is how to put your Widgetable pet to sleep. First thing that we'll do is open up the App Store. Make sure to go in the bottom right and go to search. Go to the search bar. Look up widget. Once you look up widget, we're going to scroll down a bit until we see Widgetable pet and widget theme. You're either going to install it or update it. Once you have it set up and ready to go, let's go and open up the app. Once the app opens up, depending if you need to start an account or not, go ahead and log in. If you're already logged in, perfect. On this screen, go ahead and go to pets right there. Under the pets bar, there will be all of your pets that you currently have. Once you find the one that you're looking for, go ahead and press on it. Once you're here, we're going to go to this tab in the middle right here. Now, there are a lot of things you can do to put your pet to sleep, maybe a pillow or a dream bed. It all depends on you. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and hit pillow, start Foxy's nap. That is how to put your Widgetable pet to sleep.